Hey guys, it's TTG Tech and Tutorial. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to actually use your phone as a mic on PC. Let's get into it. So you're gonna get it to this website first. As you can see, on this website, it's pretty much easy. It shows everything that you have to get. You have to get these attributes and these Windows installer, and you're gonna install this. I just installed this. See, it's like writing it there. I already have all of them like that. So coming back to the PC, you have to get these. If you have like, guys, you have to go to Play Store. You go to Play Store. When you go to Play Store, you're gonna search War Mic. When you search War Mic, you will install this. You will, let me uninstall it so I can show you. Okay, we're gonna install this War Mic, and while this is installing, I'm gonna be also installing on PC. I'ma just get it. If you have a graphics card or updated drivers like that, you don't even need them, but they suggest you get them because this is necessary for the client. Otherwise, it won't be working. I already had that from long ago, and I have new driver. So all I'm gonna do, let me uninstall. All I'm gonna do is install this War Mic for me. It's just gonna be okay. You go next. This you're gonna choose here when you're using Windows 11, Windows 8. I'm using Windows 10 64-bit. I'm just gonna go forward, and it's gonna show like this. You're gonna show it's gonna show that, and there's a system saying rebuild the computer. I want to manually put it later. So as you can see on PC, I just opened the app. This is the app. It's called MO Client. So you can tap connect. So on your phone, you will have an IP, the same IP. You have to type the IP on your PC. Make sure your PC and phone are connected. Make sure your phone and PC are connected to the same Wi-Fi. Hey guys, editor ETG here. I just noticed something. As you can see from my phone, the port is 81.125. So since everything has to be meshed, you can come on this, right? You can like you say options and go in advanced. Here's the port. You see how the port and the phone like are meshing, like the 81.25. That also has to mesh. Now back to the video. Do the same port, and you're gonna say connect, and you have to click that. It's gonna fail for the first time. You have to click the play button on your phone. You say connect again. As you can see, subscribe, the recording is muted. I'm gonna do this, and we're gonna try on this. So I'm just gonna go on my OBS. It's my OBS studio. On OBS studio, I'm gonna go to audio. You see this, I have two mics, the War Mic device and USB. This is a dedicated mic that I'm using right now. I'm gonna switch to you're gonna hear the audio difference because now I'm actually using my phone to actually record. This should say disconnecting. Please wait. You see it disconnected because I just tapped on my phone. So you're gonna say connect on this. You connect, and you're gonna go USB, and on your phone too, go to transport USB. On USB, if you're gonna use the network version, you don't need that debug. I don't know, but I usually use this because it's just the wire. So you're usually gonna go with in about phone. When you get here in about phone, you're gonna tap the MUI version for 3 times. 3 times you're gonna tap it 1, 2, 3 until it says you're a developer. For me, because I'm already a developer, no need, you're already a developer. So then when you're in a developer, you're gonna search developer on your settings and say developers option, and you're gonna go down. And you're gonna see debugging, turn on this USB debugging connected to USB. Start with what I did right now. You start on your phone and you go on your PC. I'm gonna switch it to, and I'm gonna go to audio. It's starting to rain, guys, so I have to do this fast. I'm gonna say okay. On okay, you're gonna see right now I'm using my phone mic to actually like play on this. Thank you for watching. I have 2 videos on the screen right now. Go watch one of them, and I'm gonna see you next time. Peace out.